Hello and welcome to Sri Swami Engineering Academy. Today we are going to learn about the mixing of two streams in context of air mixing. Okay. Now, in the mixing of two streams, let us say, this is the diagram, let us say there are two air streams. One air stream is coming up from here and one air stream is coming up from here, and both mixes here and it goes out. Let us say this is A, this is B, and this is coming out with the property C. Okay? Or you can take this is point number 1, point number 2, and point number 3. So if you see here, the mixing means, let us say the incoming air from A is having the mass M1, W1 is the specific humidity, and H1 is the enthalpy of this air. And another, if you see here, M2 is the another incoming air, W2 is the specific humidity, and H2 is the another, you can say, enthalpy of this point number 2. And this mixes and forms M3, W3 and H3. Okay. Now, let us see that there is nothing going out. Nothing going out. Let us see. Nothing going out means no energy is transferring from system to the surrounding and surrounding to the system. Now, let us balance the things. Let us say first balancing is mass balancing. What do you hand for the mass balancing? For the mass balancing, mass M1 is coming here, mass M2 is coming here, both the streams are mixed and they are forming M3. That means M1 plus M2 is equal to what? M3. Let us balance the humidity or specific humidity. So how to do it? It is M1 W1, that is water content, plus M2 W2 is equal to M3 W3. How it comes? Let us say, what is the specific humidity? It is the mass of water content per kg of dry air. So, how much is the mass of dry air? Let us say 2 kg of dry air is coming. And let us say 2 kg of dry air is coming. And let us say 0.5 is the humidity. That is W is the 0.5. That means what? You will get, if 2 kg is coming and 0.5 is the specific humidity for per kg. This is per kg. Then for 2 kg it is how much? 2 into 0.5. That is 1 kg of, you can say, specific humidity. Or this is M1 into W1 plus M2 into W2 is equal to M3 into W3. Now similarly, you can go for, what is that? Heat balance or energy balance. How to take energy balance? That is the enthalpy balance. This is enthalpy balance. That is M1H1 plus M2H2 is equal to M3H3. Now let us do this. Now if you see here, this is say equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. Let us. Okay. Now, equation 2 will employ M1 W1 plus M2 W2 is equal to, what is M3 from equation M1? M1 plus M2. So I will write M1 plus M2 into W3. This is from equation 1. It is okay. Now let us multiply this and make this one. So M1 W1 plus M2 W2 is equal to M1 W3 plus M2 W3. Now collect the terms of M1 and M2. Let us take this M1 to this side and M2 to this side. So you will get M1 common W1. This come to this side means it will be minus W3 is equal to M2 W3 minus W2. Now if you see M1 by M2 is equal to W3 by W2 upon W1 by W3. So this is what the ratio of masses M1 and M2 is proportional to this one. Now similarly we can have the jugglery for, you can say, energy balance. What is the jugglery for energy balance? You can have the same thing you can have for energy balance. If you do the same thing, you will get same. Instead of W1 you are having H1, instead of W2 you are having H2, so instead of W3 you are having H3. So what you are doing here is just you will get, similarly I can write, you can make that one, no problem. M1 upon M2 is equal to H3 minus H2 upon H1 minus H3. You can do that. Right? Okay. So now let us show this on psychrometric chart. This is the psychrometric chart. Here you are having variable temperature, here having W, here you are having enthalpies, okay. Now the first point, let us say M1 W1 and M2 W2. Let us say this is the M1. Let us say M1. Let us say this one M1 W1. W1 H1 is the point. First point, this is let us say point number 1, and this is let us say point number 2. Point number 2 with certain W. This is W2, let us say W1. Anywhere you can take one number here and two number here, no problem, according to the conditions you can have. So if you join this line 1 and 2, you will get point number 3 is in between these two, 1 and 2. That point number 3 will get on this line in between these two. In between means not at the center. In between means within this line range. Okay, and this 1 to 3 and 3 to 2 is nothing but, or this line cuts in the ratio of M1 by M2. That means if you see this is a 5 centimeter line 1 to 2, then this is 3 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. That is what? M1 by M2 ratio. Okay, so that M1 by M2 ratio, this line will cut by M1 and M2 ratio. This is nothing but the mixing. In the earlier case we have seen, when the cooling and dehumidification process, there also you are having 3 points. 1 point is on this one, but the process is 1, 2 and 3. Here you see the mixing of 1 and 2 will give the 3. If you see the temperature of this is also in between these two, that you see, and it is very easy to remember. If you see, I will give an example to remember this. If you see, if you take a hot water and pour cold water, that is nothing but the mixing of two streams. So resultant of these two is nothing but the temperature in between the hot and cold. So it is nothing but the in between. So if you see here, I am not talking about the mass. The mass goes increase. But if you see the temperature, it is in between this 1 and 2. It will not beyond this. or not beyond this. So point number 3, when the mixing is concerned for the two air streams, these are the air streams, okay? Then the point number 3 is in between these two. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the video. Thanks.